Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Infitech. In this video, we're going to see how to use drawer in Flutter. So before we start that, I've created a simple stateless widget of homepage, and I've used this simple app bar with text drawer in Flutter and with color deep purple. So I'm going to write the drawer in this widget, a scaffold. So there is a property called drawer, and this drawer takes the drawer widget. So what I'm going to do is like I'm passing the list view as a child to the drawer, and this list view takes children widgets, and each children widget will be of type new list tile. See, as you can see, I've created the list tile and I'm going to give the title, say page 1, and I'm going to create another one. Let's say page 2. So let's now run this. So we should be getting a drawer with two list tiles naming page 1 and page 2. So as you can see, we have got the drawer and with the two list tiles page 1 and page 2. So if you wanted to create a user accounts drawer, so you can do it here or here. Say user accounts drawer header, and it takes these parameters account name and account email. Say give some name. When you run this, you will be getting a user accounts drawer header, and you can also specify your profile picture. It can be coming from your this is going to take a circle avatar, and this circle avatar can take background color. Let's say colors.white, and you can also specify any network image or asset image, and for now I'm giving a small text. So if you run this, you will be getting a current account profile picture with the circle avatar widget. So this is how you create a drawer in Flutter. But when you tap on this tile with list tile, you need to redirect to a new page, right? So what I'm going to do now is like I'm going to create a new stateless widget of page 2. So I'm naming it page 2. So my second widget is ready. So what should I do is like when I click on this widget, I should be redirecting to this page. So I will be using this on tab property, and it uses a callback. So first, when I click on this page 2, the drawer should be closed and should redirect to this page 2 widget. So first I will be closing the drawer. For that I am going to write navigator dot off context dot pop. So what this does is like it closes the drawer first, and then we should redirect to the page 2 widget. So for that I'm going to use the material page route. Say of context dot push, say new material page route. So this is going to take a builder, and this builder is going to take the context, and this we need to return the widget over here. Say page 2. Yes, that's it. So now when we tap on this page 2 list tile, we should be redirecting to this page 2 widget. So now when I click on this, see, as you can see, I'm being redirected to this page 2. So this is how you can implement drawer in Flutter, and you can write your own styles and make this look beautiful. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.